pretty much done with the barge over on this project, so we're going to go ahead and get it moved over here, get the pilings loaded up. We got a 100 by 5 foot wide and 10 by 10 little dock going in right here, all 8-inch pilings, so it'll be pretty good little structure. The only issue is get material to the job site, so that's why we're going to try to load it up where the barge is and float it down this way with the barge. Got me a ride-along partner today in the Traco. Chief decided to get up here. It's nice and warm. Look at him now. Like, let me back in, let me back in. No, Chief. No, Chief. Hey, Chief, acting all goofy. Now he's sitting up here on a tractor riding with me. What are you doing, Chief? Say, hey, Mom. Keep my nose warm. Guys got the batter board set up. We got the center line of the dock going out. Set the batter board out just a little bit further so we have room to set our poles. We'll get back here on Monday and start getting poles put in place. We're going to tie a couple ribbons up on the string over the weekend so people walking down the beach don't run into our strings. Well, I made it to the next job and the water's too shallow to get the barge in the shore. So, yep, had to jump in the water to get off the barge. A little chilly out here, but ain't nothing I ain't used to. I've been in the water many times in my life. But we'll get this thing started up on Monday morning. Hopefully have some water in, which I kind of doubt because I think the weather's going to get a little bit cooler on us. Done pretty good today getting the pilings set, and we got this little storm coming up. It's supposed to drop to 23 degrees tonight, so it's already a little chilly out here. It started off at 67. I think we're down to 51 right now. Hunter says his fingers are frozen. I said it's not cold yet, bro. But we've got 20 pilings set so far this morning. Kind of drugged a barge in here just so we can get these poles set. These are 8-inch, 20-foot pilings. They're all driven down into the ground. No jetting, all driven, so we should have a real good tight connection into the clay. And you can see it's getting rough out south with the storm blowing up. And it's going to turn around out of the northwest up here later on. But we're going to try to get all our material out of water, get everything secured, get the barge back out in deeper water because I know we're going to be losing a lot of water here with this north wind blowing. Yep, we had to break out the famous Tadmore again over here on this project. Couldn't get the tractor up there, so the guys had to beat the piling down with Tadmore. Like I said in an earlier video, it's something my dad came up with. When you need the poles to go down just a tad more, you use an 80-pound Tadmore. It's actually just a oversized fence post driver. Got all our poles put in the ground, got a 10 by 10 platform just installed out there. We're gonna go ahead and get all of our strings cleaned up, all the batter boards pulled down, and got the lumber here on the beach so Chase can come over and start getting it framed up. We're gonna go ahead and push on over to Garcon Point. We got a 400-foot dock we're gonna be putting in over there with a 16 by 40 something foot boathouse, I believe, and a nice boat lift in there. Be our next project. It's gonna be nice and cool over there in the morning with that north wind blowing. Project turned out pretty good over there. You can see all the pilings line up nice and neatly. As soon as Chase gets done with that large boathouse, or the tall boathouse he's built, he'll be over here and get this thing framed up. Got all the poles set for this project over here, so now we're pushing across over to Garcon Shores. Got a little project over there. Well, not really little. It's a 400-foot dock with a 16 by 38-foot boathouse and a big platform and a seawall also, and some riprap. So we'll be filming that, and I'll keep you updated on that. Here's some of the completed pictures of the project we just did. You can see it's got the tan ThruFlow decking on it, 8-inch diameter pilings. Very nice walkway out here. It steps down, a 7-inch walkway to the platform. Little sitting area out here. Hey, you guys might be asking why I'm walking around in the water doing the footage. Pretty cool views from down here, but normally I do fly my drone around this. Well, I had a little complications when I was flying a drone here near the airport, and it decided to land. It doesn't do too good underwater, but thank God I bought the insurance and warranty, I'll be getting that replaced shortly. You can look underneath our docks here. You can see all the hurricane blocking we do. It does a real good job holding the pier down in place. The ThruFlow decking, again, allows that storm surge to pass up through it or water to go through it and without ripping the decking off. Got some 1/2-inch hot dip galvanized bolts in there through the stringers and through the cross ties. Gives a real good connection to the pilings. Hey y'all, thanks for checking out my video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe now. Hit the like and share button. If you got any comments or questions on how we do this, please feel free to leave me a message and I'll try to get back with you. Got a lot more projects coming up, so y'all keep on watching.